Hello, it's your man again, like boom, yeah, boop, boop, boop. Thanks for everybody who supports Happy Business, HABBY business.com. Really appreciate the love and the support. This is just a quick video, one to promote my new podcast episode on Spotify, talking about how to start a business with no money. And I wrote a few things down that are sort of just trying to explain in my podcast. You might have a brilliant business idea, but you may say, look, I've got no money, I've literally zero budget. And so there's just a few things maybe you might need to think about, and I would give in terms of like hints and tips to help you, because it can be very challenging to actually start a business with no money, literally zero budget. So one of the things I talked about was identifying your skills and your passion. Obviously, this will help your business idea. You choose a business idea which really aligns with your strengths and your interests. So that would be kind of the first tip. And then I talked about number two was creating a solid business plan. Again, this will serve as a roadmap in terms of helping you stay focused in terms of where you need to be. So things that you need to include, such as your competition in there. You need to talk about your financial projections. You need to talk about your marketing strategies. And then number three, I talked about utilizing the free resources. And majority of it now, you can get it online on YouTube. Just Google stuff online, really. And there's a lot of resources on social media that you can use to support your idea and your business dream. And then number four, I talked about sort of just start small and bootstrap, basically. So just begin small, and then from there sort of grow your business, reinvesting back into your business the money that you kind of make. And then five, I spoke around sort of the importance of networking, particularly in terms of word of mouth, using word of mouth. And that's how we've grown as a business, literally is made telling people about the business. Every time I see them, please buy something, please give me some feedback, please go on the website, what do you think? Share the word, share on your social media. Even the videos that I'm doing now, I always talk about the business, Happy Business, you know, that's literally, but use your network. And if you're an introvert person, you could potentially even do it online through Zoom, Microsoft Teams. There's a lot of online community who've got like-minded entrepreneurs or like-minded people, depending on the industry that you want to get into. It could be fashion, it could be engineering. There'll be like-minded people that want to set up a business. You can find them online and you can share ideas together. And then seven was basically just around the customer service. Giving that exceptional customer service is another key thing, because that ensures that you build a really good loyal customer base that will help you when you face those challenging times in your business. But just to remember that obviously starting a business with no money requires a lot of dedication, a lot of perseverance. Believe me, I know. But you have to be willing to, you have to be focused, you have to be willing to adapt. And you have to be willing to take calculated risks as well. Anyway, thanks very much for listening to me waffle, and I hope that's been helpful. Feel free to listen in more detail on my podcast on Spotify, and have a very good day. And thank you, and speak soon. Like boom, yeah, boop, boop. Let's go.